Good morning. It's Tuesday, January 5th. I'm just going to give you a little review of what we're going to be doing today. When you open today's Schoology folder, you are going to see the to-do list, which basically says what I'm going to say right now, and a book review assignment, which is due Friday. This is what I was talking about starting in November. Make sure that you are finishing books or getting close to finishing books so that you would have something to use for this book review. When you open this up, this is not an assignment in the way I normally do assignments. This is just a link because you're going to need to copy the template to make your own. This is just an explanation of exactly what you're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and read through it. Oftentimes students get the Read 10 blues about this time of year. They need a boost to find new books. To help each other out, each student will create an electronic book review to give others ideas about what they might read next. Pick a book you enjoyed that you read this semester and create your book review using the template linked. So right here it says, create your book review. It must include the following: a picture of the cover, which you can get offline, the title and author's first and last name, in addition to the cover. So sometimes they're hard to read, so I want it to be, if it's on the cover, twice. The genre and a brief summary. Remember, a genre is humor, mystery, fantasy, graphic novels, what category the book would fit in, sometimes more than one. And the brief summary, the story without giving away all the ending, and a rating and an explanation including who would most likely enjoy the book. This could include your favorite part of the book, but don't give all the things away, don't ruin it. And then lastly, some other hook to get readers interested. You're trying to sell your book to other people. So I've brainstormed a list of ideas of things that you might choose to do if available, or you could do those. Share like a really captivating quote from the book. You might find an author interview online, a trailer if the book happens to be a movie as well. You could make your own video promoting the book. Oops, I might change that right now. A brief preview to other books in the series, if that's the case. Make a connection. If the reader likes this book, what other books would they also enjoy? In other words, if you've read The Hunger Games, you might also like this book. Or if you've read Hatchet, you might also like this other book. Or if you've got another idea, you can do that as well. Each of these sections is going to be worth 5 points. So it's going to be a total of 25 points. And again, the hope is that you sell your book or make your book sound interesting enough that other people will get a new idea for the second semester reading. There are 3 different examples. Each of the examples has all 5 parts listed, and they use different hooks. And right here is an explanation of what the hook is. So this first one is about a book called New Kid, and this has a link to an author talking about his book. This one is a quote about and information about the sequel. This one is an author reading an excerpt from her novel. So when you open these up, I want you to notice each one's going to have 3 different slides, and what is on each slide is very organized. So you're going to see a picture of the book, you're going to see the title, author of the book, the genre. There's a couple of them on this one because it is a graphic novel, but it is also realistic fiction. Then here's this brief summary that doesn't give away the book. This one is the rating here, and who would most enjoy the book, and some personal insights to the book. And then lastly, this is the author talking about the book. So that's the first one, and you can read that in more detail. The second one, once again, you are going to see the cover of the book, title, genre. You're going to see an interesting quote there, brief summary. Then this is a longer brief summary with the rating. And then the hook is other books that they might like in the series or by that author. And then lastly, the third example is a series, actually, because sometimes it's hard to review one book without talking about the whole series. Once again, you're going to see the book that has been highlighted of the series, the cover, title, author, genre, brief summary, rating, explaining, a little bit more personal insight, and then this one has the author reading a passage from her book. So those are going to be really helpful for you before you get started. As you get started, right here is the template. You're going to need to open that and make a copy. This is a video showing how to do that. I'm not going to talk to you about that right now. You're going to make your own copy, and the template's going to help you guide you on what you should include. These two links here, how to use tools on Google Slides, how to insert a video, are going to be helpful if you choose those options. And then this right here is the actual template that you're going to be copying. Read 10 Book Review Project link. You're going to open that up and make a copy of it for yourself. So this is going to be due Friday, and I'll be touching base with you, and eventually you're going to take the link of the book review that you do, and we're going to share it on a spreadsheet so that everybody has access to it, and hopefully you'll sell your book and everybody will find cool things to read for second semester. Good luck, and let me know how I can help you.